Hi, my name is Ben Barry. I'm with Saving Face, and we're protecting your meetings one interruption at a time. Due to COVID-19, everyone's working from home. It's a common thing now. It's a shifted market, and nearly it's better to work from home for most businesses. And I see this going into the future, and most do. This has changed all of the operations from newscasters to professors to CEO executives, all operating from their office at home. And they all need that safe environment that we have in the office. And that's what we're trying to solve. With Saving Face, we've developed a product that resolves this issue. You see people like Vinny that have many sales agents that work underneath him. He works for Expeditors, and he's in charge of about 12 sales agents, and they all interface with other businesses and are trying to provide a safe environment, a effective business-like environment from their doorstep. And it's hard to do due to the fact of those interruptions. So, with Saving Face, we have developed a product to solve this issue. It's similar to a stoplight for the kids. It's a visual indicator at the door, and this provides feedback to the people that might be interrupting you. Stops them at the time of interruption, before they enter the door that you're in a meeting in, and you can change it from your computer on the fly. Even if you're in a meeting right now, you could change that indicator. And I'll show you the demonstration in the following slides of how that works. So similar to this device you see next to me, you have 3 lights you have control over, and it's similar to a stoplight where you can control what that light means. We suggest a simple operation. Hey, I'm in a meeting, red light. Please stop, don't interrupt. I can't be interrupted. I'm on video, I have mic, it's a very important meeting. You got yellow. Hey, you can come in, you gotta be quiet. You can't interrupt, but maybe just briefly to notify me something. But it's please be brief and quick. And then you've got green, which is come on through, come on in, inviting those around you, which is huge in the environment we're in now. It's creating that boundary of, hey, I'm in a meeting, I need space, and there's, hey, I need people to visit me. I need to take a break, I need to play with the kids, whatever it might be. And this is a way of effectively communicating with those around you, but yet still providing that safe environment that everyone needs. So our model is two different means of selling. We can sell directly to users, so this might be small businesses or individuals at home that are interfacing with others through virtual means, or to large employers. They have sales agents or managers, just like Vinny we saw before, that would buy in bulk and distribute these to all of those underneath them. Sales agents, they're any business employees that need that safe environment. There is competitors in the market. There's devices made by their own kids to notify them. They hang on the door, to putting a post-it on the door, text messages and Alexa devices, smart devices. Both of these, so post-its and hangers, you have to leave the meeting to go to notify them. And smart devices, it's a one-time notification, and sometimes kids don't have text or even notify. They read those texts, so it's there's contrasting methods. With our device, you can change it on the fly, and you don't even leave your meeting, and it notifies them at the door and stops them from entering, and kids need that constant reminder. So we are looking for funding specifically to advertise and grow a crowdfunding campaign. This will provide the funds we need to build a more viable MVP and to be able to advertise, to go to make a presentation and the required information that a company might need to pre-purchase these devices. And those funds will be gathered and to be used for the molds and electronics boards and developing the software further to integrate with all the different software packages for remote meetings out there. My name is Ben Barry. I'm an inventor and I'm an electrical engineer, and I'm very passionate about this project, as you can see here. Thank you for your time, and hope to have you a part of our company and venture.